Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll want to lift the wiper arm carefully away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks. It's a good idea to place a towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield. This protects the glass in case the wiper arm accidentally snaps back down. This simple preparation makes the whole process much smoother and safer. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade off the J-hook connector. Sometimes it slides down, sometimes it just unclips. Be sure to hold the wiper arm steady with your other hand as you remove the blade. This prevents the arm from springing back and potentially damaging your windshield. It's a quick and easy step. Installing the new wiper blade is just as simple. Take your new blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are on, carefully lower the wiper arms back down onto your windshield. You're almost done and your visibility will be greatly improved. Finally, it's time to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle, spray some washer fluid, and run the wipers on their lowest setting. Watch to make sure they clear the windshield smoothly and completely, without leaving any streaks or missed spots. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your wiper blades. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.